Here we go. Here is the first print of a 180 degree turn. This will be in two parts. This is the first part, and the other part will obviously print later. Each part here will take 5 hours to print. So wish us luck. I wanted to print it in black, but I didn't have any black filament, and it is the weekend, so I'm gonna have to wait till next week. Plus we're in a lockdown, so I can't really go out and buy that sort of stuff. As I say, this is a 180 degree turn, and it has a 30 degree bank. So what's going to happen is after the finish line, this will, I'll be building a merger, and this will join the merger, and then it will swing around so the cars come back on themselves after the finish line. So yeah, very excited to see how this turns out. This is the Prusa, the original Prusa, the i3 MK3. This has taken me around about 8 hours to put together. It was a bit of a hell of a build, but and a lot of testing yesterday, a lot of fault finding, and eventually I think I found a setting that produces a nice print. But we'll wait and see how this turns out. 5 hours and we'll have a finished product. By the way, Road Warriors Battle 20 will either go up today or tomorrow. I've just had a lot of stuff to do, and obviously we are in lockdown at the moment, so a lot of stuff has had to happen prior to racing. So yeah, wish us luck. See you in 5 hours.